Okay, this is part 2. I have my corn in my cast iron. I'm going to go ahead and mix in my celery in that, my onions. Mix that all in there. And you can just adjust your recipe as you want to. And this is my bell peppers. Okay, I have red bell peppers in there. I'm going to mix all that up. Okay. And then I'm going to mix in my Anaheim peppers. And that's going to bring some spiciness, since my Anaheim peppers, they're kind of spicy. Okay, and then I'm going to put some garlic. I decided I'm going to mince up some garlic in there. And then I'm going to go ahead and pour my vinegar. So I'm basically simmering this. That's my vinegar. Make sure your ingredients are measured out properly. So I'm showing you a technique and how corn relish is pickled. Then I'm going to go ahead and pour let me put my salt in there. I know it looks like a lot of salt, but we have to put quite a bit of sugar in there. Yeah, that's the thing about relish. That's why you don't eat a lot of it. This is your pickling relish. Yes. And this is great on hot dogs, hamburgers. You can mix it in with a sauce. Like you want to do a hamburger sauce. I don't want the real dark ones. You see that? You want to pull that out. Though that's charred from some of the charred peppers. That's going to be really good. Yum! I mean, who's not going to want that on their hot dogs? So, and then I'm going to go ahead and add some other ingredients. These are my spices. Have a little bit of arrowroot, which is going to thicken it up. I add a little bit of smoked paprika. I'm not too sure. I have turmeric, cumin, and some mustard, and then I have some oregano leaves from my small little garden patch there, and I'm gonna, because I want that oregano, want a little bit of a rustic in there. And then you just boil it for 5 minutes. I'm gonna wait for this to boil, then I'm gonna add the spices and then reboil it, and then I'm gonna go ahead and jar it, and it should be good. And that's all. That's it. It's a whole different technique than when I did my zucchini relish. With my zucchini relish, I basically let it sit, and then I strained it and then added the other ingredients. I let it sit in some salt, and then I rinsed it, but I'm not doing that with this. I'm going to make it just making it a relish as is, and I am going to add a little bit of water, just a couple teaspoons with water, which is going to go with the spices, because I have the arrowroot in there, which is a little bit of a thickener. So you don't have to put the arrowroot in there, you can leave it out, but it's not a really heavy thickener, it's just a very light thickener, arrowroot, and it's not like cornstarch or like flour or anything like that. So Okay. And then I'm going to jar this, and then we're going to make, that's how you make your corn relish. Alright, talk to you later. Bye.